Hello guys, welcome back to continue the answer of the revision sheet for first quiz in quarter 4. Okay, this part 2 here. Let fx equal x to power 4 minus 4x to power 3 plus 4x to power 2 plus 1. Here he asks you to find what? The critical number, interval, and the relative extrema. All of these I need the first derivative test and use the first derivative test to solve all of this. Here, the first step, find the first derivative, which is what? 4x to power 3, okay, minus 12x to power 2 plus 8x. Okay, then second step, find the critical number to find the first request by setting what? The value of the first derivative equal what? 0 plus 8 x equal 0. By factorizing, okay, take 4 x as a common factor. It will be here x to power 2 minus 3 x plus 2, okay, equal 0. By complete the factorizing because it must be for a complete factorization. X, you can factorize the bracket by using calculator. Minus 2 x minus 1 implies x equal what? 0, 1, 2 are critical number. These are critical what? Number. Okay, that is the first request. Second one, to find the interval in which the function is what? Decreasing. Okay, that is the third step. Okay, second step, the third step. Okay, here write 0, 1, 2, here negative infinity, and here what? Infinity. Select the values that you like. Here at its left, negative 1, at its right, the test value 3. I don't care about the value of the first derivative. That is for first what? Derivative. Here 0.5, between them 1.5. Okay, that is the test's value. Just replace in the first derivative, okay? First, I prefer to substitute in this one, like this one. That is the first derivative after factorizing. It will help you. If you would like to use the original one in step 1, no problem. Here, negative 1, it will be negative. Negative 1 and it will be negative, positive. Negative, it will be negative. So here it will be negative. Negative, negative, negative. 3 negative, so f prime, it will be here less than 0, decrease. Okay? Here 0.5 positive, the first factor positive, second factor negative, third factor negative, 2 negative, it will be also what here positive. You can use a calculator, but here 0.5 here positive. 0.5 minus 2, it will be negative. Negative here, multiply positive, it will be negative. Here 0 negative, it will be negative positive. Okay? Replace in the other one, here 1.5, it's positive, negative, positive. So it will be negative. 3, positive, 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 it will be what? Positive. Do you know what I use here? Smaller minus bigger, it will be negative. Bigger minus, and 3 minus 2, it will be positive. Bigger minus smaller, negative. 3 minus 1, it will be positive. Do you know how I saw? If you don't understand what I use, you can use the calculator. Okay, here f is increasing. On, who tell me which interval? Okay, increasing here and here. We hear what? Increasing. Okay, which interval? Open interval 0 and 1, and the other interval is what? 2 and infinity. Okay, f is decreasing, f is decreasing. On which interval? Decrease here. Here what? Decrease. Okay, decrease on negative infinity, 0. The other one decrease, and the open interval what? 1 and 2. I think it's easy. But here, I'm asking about relative. The third one, relative. Locate, it means x and what? X and y. Okay? Okay. Here, as you see, look with me in different color. Decrease until reach to the least value, then increase. يبقى here at x equal 0, relative what? Minimum. Here, relative what? At 1? Maximum. Then at 2, minimum. Understand or no? So, f x has, I can write it in different, wait, sorry. Look here, at which point? 0 and the f0. f0 replaced in the original function, it will be 1. Okay? At this point, relative what? Minimum. Clear or not clear? Then at 1, at 1, here 1, look 1, here. At 1 replaced above, it will be, then cancel, it will be 2. Relative what? Maximum. The last critical point at 2. And F2, you can use the calculator to find its y coordinate because they don't have calculator. It will be relative what? Minimum. Who understand? Here, look, decrease smallest, then come increase. So relative minimum at 0. Then increase and to reach it to the maximum, relative maximum at 1. Then again. Okay? That's all. I think it's so easy. Okay? Now, this question is so trivial. How to find the critical numbers for the function f(x) equal x to the power 3 plus x. So trivial. Use the general power rule and apply, product rule. Then set the value of x, the first derivative equals 0 to find the critical number. Try to solve it and check the result. Okay? For find the minimum and the maximum value, it is not included, this question will not include in this quiz. Okay?